Good morning and welcome to the first day tour in my Egypt adventure. So today we will today we will explore the area where I stay at, and this is the view from my accommodation. So it's not quite like 5-star or whatever, but you can definitely see the pyramid, and this is where I stay, and I think this is the one view. May kalesa doon. So we'll go upstairs. I think there's a pre-breakfast in this inn. See, in this area you can definitely see the pyramid. Oh my god. Okay, let's just see. Morning. Okay, we're going upstairs. Okay. So it's a rooftop restaurant. See here. And this is the surprise, guys. This is the surprise. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My gosh. Sabi nga ng ate mo kay Toretto, the pyramid is pyramiding. Wow. See? You can see the Sphinx, but the pyramid, oh. Guys, I'm near the Egypt. I'm sorry. Na mental block ako sa ang ibig ko sabihin. Welcome to Egypt. 1, 2, 3 pyramids. So that's the back view of the hotel where I stay in, and this is the front view. Actually, ang napansin ko rito, it's luma ang mga building. Kinonvert lang nila as accommodation, as like a view in. See? Kasi nga naman, tingnan mo naman, no, di ba? Di ba? Pupuntahan natin 'yan. So, ang di ko lang ma-decide kung kukuha ba ako sa booking.com or dun sa meron pang isa sa Klook or what, but I will just check it later. But oh my gosh, uy, I'll give you more tour later on. So maybe magkakat to kung anong magiging decision ko later on, kung ito ba muna or sa iba muna. Okay? See you. Ito ang kakainin namin. In-arrange ko lang para may space yung camera. So again, this is the view and the breakfast. It is already included to the reservation. Free breakfast every morning from 8 to 11.
This fucking gym. eat. What? Ah. Jericho now eat traditional breakfast. Epis. Egyptian, not Epis. I hope that Jericho is enjoying this journey, inshallah, and he will tell you the result, inshallah, in the end. Today we will go Charge Cave, and we will go the castle, big castle in Egypt. Then he will go something private to him. It's the dentist. Don't care about dentist. Just
This one
see
eggplant,
our
right?
journey. Full.
Yeah, eggplant, no.
What?
Eggplant?
No, not eggplant. Full.
Beans. Parang ano sa kanila to, tambakan talaga. Factory, like tawag dyan sa Pilipinas. Recycling area.
Mountain.
Yeah.
You saw it?
Yep. Pupunta tayo dun sa Coptic Church yata yun, yung nagka-trending din sa YouTube. Yun nga na, bago ka makarating, it's kailangan daanan to. See? Lahat ng dumaan dito may mga recycling whatever. Mo si Felix Bakat naglalakad. Felix Bakat! Kasi ayun o, recycling. Mga cans. Yun nga lang, may bahay dito, no? Tinitiran pa rin yung baba nila, tingnan mo. Parang basura, ang baka ng basura. Tapos may nagtitinda pa ng tinapay sa tabi ng, I said there's one bread store beside the garbage recycling area. Mukha siyang ano, ermita sa atin.
You know, these people have too much money.
Yeah, because the recycling, no?
Recycling.
Yeah.
Yes, you're genius. Fuck you.
But this one cannot be recycled already, see?
No, they make everything from garbage.
Behind those pyramids, Sphinx, and Grand Museum, there's also one side na ito ang itsura. Lahat naman ng
Talk too much.
lahat naman ng lugar may ganun talaga eh. May mga tourist spot, then the other side. Ito na.
City of garbage.
According to him.
No, you are the garbage.
Then you are. See, mayroon silang pa-Jesus. So mostly sa area na to may mga pa-cross. So baka ano na to, Christian.
الدير فين بعد اذنك؟ ماشي.
Basura, may basura talaga.
Ha?
So sa haba-haba ng pinuntahan natin yung mga recycling area, andito tayo sa pupuntahan natin.
Here.
العربية.
So as you can see, pag bago pumunta rito, kukuha lang sila ng ID, national ID. So this is Orthodox.
Yeah, Orthodox.
Uh,
Right. How you know?
because mostly in Egypt, it's Orthodox Christian.
No, the most Akbat Kipti. ندخل الدير ازاي؟ على طول كده. شكرا.
He will say everything.
Mountain. We will go up and I will throw you.
So nandito tayo ngayon sa ay meron din silang zip line. See? Galing, no? Kinerve na talaga yung ganito sa bundok. Uy, may misa pala. Today is Monday, right? See? Ganda. Ito yung zipline nila mula doon. Doon. Zipline. Yun nga lang sa likod nito, tingnan mo parang tambakan na siya ng basura sa likod. Ginagawa nila. So may bahay din pala yun, tapos zipline. So the church is on the other side or what? The church.
There is here 4 church. Okay?
The one I show you in the TikTok.
I don't know which one, but we will go the 4 church.
Sana inalagaan man nila itong lugar. May basura talaga siya. May basura. So, pagpapatuloy. Ah, this is the one, but on the other side. Oh, this is the other. May nag-excursion din doon. Laki rin ng church na to. So, okay. Parang siya underground stage. Galing ng pagkakagawa nila. So, di meron silang pag ganyan. So this is like Saint Simon Carnival. So alam na natin ang dasal natin, no? Kay Cara David, kailan kaya maano yun, matutupad yun. Ganda ng view. So, nung narinig niyo yung kasama ko, sabi niya may 4 church daw doon, ay dito. So, this is one of them. Sana makikita ko yung isa, yung nag-trending sa YouTube. Yung kaninang narinig niyo kumakanta, mga Chinese siguro yun, nag-excursion sila. So makikinig tayo dun sa lecture ni Kuya. Ganda na.
You must marry. To be a priest, you must marry the church. You know, to be a priest, you must marry.
Must be married.
Yes, in Bolsa, it's a monk. I told you what is the difference.
Yes.
لا I'm شوف
See. So narinig nyo, sa religion nila, this is called the Coptic Christian. So yung mga pari nila kailangan makasal. Sa atin kasi di ba hindi, bawal ikasal. Oh, why black color?
I don't care about myself. And you must change his name in the government paper.
So, kung makikita nyo, meron din mga sculpture doon na talagang ano nila sila may hagdanan. See, may hagdanan siya dyan. So, para gawin yung carving. Maganda sana kung nandun lang tayo sa taas, no?
Very good. This is if you choose to change your religion. But I told you he's a Christian and
That's
teach
2,
him to be a
4,
Christian.
6, 8, 10, 12, the 12 apostles. Sorry. Sayang di tayo nakapunta rin nung sa taas, sa pinakataas. Maganda sana yun eh, pinakataas. So dito na lang tayo. Sayang hindi natin napuntahan sa pinakataas. Ganda sana, no? So we're in the third church now, Saint Bola. The other one is Coptic Church. This one Saint Bola. The first one I didn't got the name because it's Arabic. Okay. Really, it's really unfortunate na yung side nito it's basurahan. Hindi basurahan, kumbaga tambakan. It's closed. It's not look like a church. I think on this side sarado siya. Let's explore since nandito naman tayo. Kasi para siyang version natin na squatters. Yung iba abandoned house na, abandoned building, pero hindi lahat. Si Moses ba to? I think so. Kasi nandun sa isang kamay niya yung parang sinasabing yung 10 Commandments. So meron pala silang no? Ang idea ko lang, ang Christian dito sa Egypt is yung Orthodox. Yung pala may Coptic Christian na tinatawag. Talaga nag-effort talaga sila na i-curb yung no, mga simbahan sa loob ng ng bundok. May tendency kayang siya, alam mo yun, gumuho. Huwag naman sana, pero ganda kasi ng pagkakagawa yun.
Only the Christian in Egypt working in garbage.
See, if you hear what he said, yun yan, kasi tinanong ko siya, mostly dun sa area na to, yung inakyat natin is Christian area to. Tapos tinanong ko siya bigla, bakit itong mga, yung sinasabi mong mga nakatira is mostly Christian, tapos dun sila malapit sa tambakan ng basura at recycling area. Kawawa naman ng mga Kristiyano sa atin. Pauwi na kami and we're on the second stop. Si Kuyang gwapo. So tatapusin natin tong segment na to. So this is the first day. So we had the breakfast on the rooftop of the Locanda Pyramid View. Then we went here in Coptic Church and the slum. I don't want to call it slum area, but let's say recycling area. Basahin nyo na lang. Okay, so I paid around 550 as a foreigner and 275 for locals. check the city view. Ang gwapo ni Daddy. I think this is not the one. The one I showed you from the TikTok, it's like color pink or... Yung tour guide ko, dagdag din sa gastos ko eh. See? Sana hindi malusaw yung sunblock ko. It's open, you can go inside or what? But no need to pay again, or you need to pay the plastic shoes?
But I don't think so.
They don't look for your ID?
No, and my hair is white. I don't. They will ask me. I will tell them. I don't know. I don't tell you that I'm student. I will make myself stupid.
So there's another view there, or another.
يا عم امسك لا والله انا والله ما اعرف.
They said one of the theory how they build the pyramid is make the water flow from that. See?
話は軽い。そうです。信じる人とか信じる人。
Lumang-luma na, ano? Pa siyang Intramuros. You know, feels like Intramuros. So yun nga lang, kailangan kung gusto mo magbayad ka ng cover. Eh dahil sa kuripot tayo, wala tayong cover. I think they will have a concert here. That's good. Para sa 550, okay na. Ganda.
They will kill you.
You will go home.
Beautiful than
It's golden green. That was. Народ,